guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm a realtor. I make a lot of real estate related videos. A lot of the tips that I share can be applied to any business in general. I also make lifestyle type videos and vlogs, so if those are things that you are interested in, then be sure to subscribe. Today's video, I'm going to talk about social media marketing, but I'm going to make it a little more specific, and I'm going to talk only about Facebook today. If you have a business Facebook page of any kind, this video is for you. So I was in a meeting the other morning with some fellow realtors, and something I noticed was that, first of all, okay, you have to understand, the average age of a realtor is 53 years old. That's the average, okay? So that's pretty old to be an average, okay? So I was in a meeting the other day with some fellow realtors, and something I noticed was that a lot of the realtors were saying that they don't even use social media for their marketing, period. And if the only reason that they would is if they paid someone else to do it, because they just don't understand it. They don't know how to do it. And all of these things that I thought were so obvious that everyone knew just because I've grown up with it. I'm 20. They did not know. So I think that this is a video that maybe could be useful to other realtors as well as just, older business owners in general, because whether we like it or not, that's where the eyeballs are. Social media is where, that's where the people are, that's where the eyeballs are, and we really can't get away from it, and that's where the money's at right now. So we just kind of have to adjust to the times. It's the world we live in today. So I have a few notes on my phone that I just wrote out real quick before I turned my camera on. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my phone. Sorry guys. So let me see here. Okay, so first things first, for your Facebook business page, as just like any other social media, if you want it to work, it has to be done consistently. You have to be posting content on a consistent, regular basis, and how often you need to post is going to be different from platform to platform. How often you need to post on Instagram is different than how often you're going to need to post on Facebook. But regardless, you need to post consistently. In business, you'll post consistently for a month, and then things pick up and life gets crazy and you go 3 months without even looking at your business Facebook page, and that doesn't work. That's only going to lose followers and lose eyeballs, not gain them, which is what we want to do. So one really nice thing about Facebook is that you can schedule your posts, and it's super easy to do, super simple. Anyone can figure it out. You can schedule when your posts go out. So right now I have all of my posts scheduled. I have a post scheduled on my Facebook to go out about every 3 days or so for the next, I think, 3 months out. So I don't even have to worry about it. I don't have to look at it. I don't have to touch it for 3 months. Engagement is important. So if someone commenting back is really important. We'll get into that a little bit later. But for the most part, I don't have to think about posts for 3 months straight until it's time to get back in there and schedule out my other post. Super simple, easy to do, does not take long at all. So what's next? Okay, the next question is, what do you post? And I'll tell you, one thing that you do not post is only posting your listing photos, because people don't want to feel like they're being sold. They don't want, if that just looks too salesy, and it just, I don't know, people don't like that. If it's a cute, some things that I like to post when it comes to homes are, for example, I have this home that I just closed on, and the home had the most adorable little loft, and it also had a super cute wood stove. So those were things that I would post specific photos of. Also home decor tips, home improvement tips. Those are some things that I post. I don't know, get creative with your content, but don't only post your listing photos. That's a big no-no. And you can get ideas from other websites. For example, a lot of my posts, I just go to hgtv.com and then I copy and paste a link to one of their articles. They have a lot of good articles that would be great to share on your real estate business Facebook page. And I copy and paste those articles onto my page and share them with adding a little comment. And those are all ideas of things that you can post. Another thing, that you can do is post a photo. For example, I posted a photo a while back of, I put 2 different kitchen styles. One was like a more modern white cabinet type kitchen, and the other one was a dark cherry wood cabinets. So I posted 2 different kitchens side by side, and I said, which kitchen do you like best? Comment below. I didn't say it like that, but you know what I mean. So I posted something to the effect of that. And that's one thing that's important, is engagement, because the more people that comment on your posts, the more traffic. Facebook likes that. So the more traffic they draw back to your page, and the more eyeballs see it. So that's super helpful to post captions that are going to encourage your fellow Facebook friends and followers to comment, to make a comment like that. So it could be voting, you know, which one do you like, which house do you like better, or if, you know, it's a fitness page, which protein shake's better, I don't know. Whatever works for you. You do you. So you can do that. And then another thing you want to do if you want to take it up another level is you can do a giveaway. So that really encourages people to comment, because there's something in it for them. So when I posted that photo of the 2 kitchens, I said, I added in the caption that I'm going to be doing a random drawing out of everyone that commented, and one person is going to win a $25 gift card to their local coffee shop of choice. So that encourages people to comment even more, because for one, they want to give out their opinion and tell you which kitchen they like better. And then another reason is because there's something in it for them. All they have to do is comment, and they could win a gift card. And then it's even better for you, because when you send that gift card to the winner, you're going to send them a handwritten thank you note with it. And then you add your business card in there. And then after you write, you know, thanks for blah, 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 writing on my post. Congratulations for winning. Oh my gosh, Miranda, go away. Sorry, it's my sister. Now I lost my train of thought. Okay, where was I? There I was. Okay, so if, you say and then after you say that, like, congratulations on winning, after you say all of that, you're going to ask them for business. You're going to ask them if they know anyone who's thinking of buying or selling. So, that's just a few really basic, simple tips for your business Facebook page. If you guys actually found this video helpful, I can do more videos that have to do with different aspects of social media marketing, because there's so many different platforms and they're all so different, and there's so much that goes into it. And I'm not saying I'm an expert by any means. I'm still learning, but this is just something that I've been implementing into my business, and it's been working. And I would love to. Okay, I'm gonna get this because it might be important. So I'm gonna wrap it up now. Anyway, if anyone has any real estate related questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.